Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, we're going to show you how to register on the P2B Exchange. So, from the TradingFinder website, go to the review section, then enter the crypto exchange section, and on this page, you can find complete information about this exchange. By clicking on the Go to Website option, you'll be taken to the official website of this exchange. Now, on this page, you need to click on the Sign Up option. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. For your password, we recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, if you have a referral code, you can enter it in this section. You need to select your country of residence here, agree to the website's terms and conditions, and then click on the Sign Up option. As you can see, you have received an email, and with this email, you can verify your email address. Go to your email inbox, and by using this option, your account will be activated. Now you can use the login option and enter your email and password to access your account. Well, that was the tutorial on how to create an account on the P2B Exchange. For more tutorials about this exchange, stay with us. Goodbye.